Our founders made it very clear that in federal elections, this is one area where having nationwide rules is allowed and quite sensible. Article 1, Section 4, Clause 1 of the U.S. Constitution allows Congress to, by law, make or alter state election law. So I do think that there's going to be federal changes. I think, or at least there's going to be proposals for federal change. I think a federal election law could require voter ID and proof of citizenship, which are common sense bipartisan reforms supported by substantial majorities across both parties. And I also think that in terms of federal law, all states should be subject, including Minnesota, which currently has an exception to the National Voter Registration Act. And there's no compelling reason why all states shouldn't be removing people from the voter rolls who are ineligible to vote. At the state level, still, the Minnesota Supreme Court said in Andy Selick versus Steve Simon, the Secretary of State could be providing the list to the public to let outside groups come in and help to ensure that people who are in fact eligible to vote are registered. And that's not happening because the Secretary of State is withholding that list, for example, from the Public Interest Legal Foundation and others.